In this lesson, I'll show you some important things that you need to keep in mind while designing your logo. Number 1. Your logo needs to be timeless. It shouldn't be based on current trends, because they will get outdated and afterwards your logo will look silly. And by the way, there is nothing wrong if you plan to update your logo in a few years. But in order to do that, you need to have a solid, timeless base so you can change small things afterwards. And as a designer and marketer, I never recommend to go for a full logo redesign, because your company will definitely lose a bunch of brand recognition. So only do that in extreme cases. Number 2. Your logo needs to look good in every form of media. But what exactly do I mean by that? If you're about to start an online business, your logo will primarily get displayed on screens. In that case, gradients aren't a problem. But someday a black and white printer will print your logo, and it needs to look good there too. That's why I always recommend to stay away from fancy gradients and shades. That said, you also need to keep in mind that your logo will get displayed in different sizes. And that is exactly why I told you to stay away from tiny elements. It may look good on a big advertising poster, but horrible on a normal sheet of paper. Number 3. Your logo needs to make you proud. And that is actually my most important advice to you. Yes, your logo needs to perfectly represent your brand and your brand's vision. And your logo of course also needs to be recognizable and look good everywhere. But at the end of the day, all that counts is that you're proud of it. And once you've got that feeling when looking at your logo, trust me, it's perfect. I am super excited for the next lesson, because you are going to learn how to create your own logo in Canva.